Hey, Brian here, Tampa Scalp Inc. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Just want to do a little bit of I'm gonna start doing more blogs, just getting around, riding my bike, stuff like that. Just talking about life stuff, SMP stuff. So, the biggest thing with SMP is that I think a lot of people think it's a kind of a get-rich-quick thing. But it's definitely not. It takes a lot of work, number one, to get your skills down, and it takes a lot of marketing and a lot of time. It took me about 2 years to be able to open up SMP studio. I had a barbershop, and then I had a room in the back of my barbershop that I was doing it in for the first 2 years. And then the city of Oldsmar bought my building and they decided to tear it down, so I kind of made a choice to go full steam ahead with SMP, and I laid a foundation and just keep building on that every day. So that's my goal, is to keep building. My goals are not to be a huge international trainer. I'm not really looking for the fame. I have zero ego, so I'm just trying to create a great life for myself, my son, and my girl and her daughter. So that's my goals. But so I'll give you a couple tips for starting out in SMP. Number one, you want to have your social media on point. I got a lot of people that come in and train. They don't even have an Instagram or Facebook or anything. So definitely social media is number one. You want to get that going. You can make an easy name like so-and-so, SMP by so-and-so. You can just keep it simple. It doesn't have to be really thought out. That's the number one thing. And number two, if you are not a barber or you're not close to me, that you can come hang out with me as much as you want once we do training. So once I do training, I offer you to come hang out. It's more of an internship. You can come hang out as much as you want. So if you're not a barber, main problem you're gonna have is hairlines. So you definitely want to partner up with a barber, partner up with someone that knows hairlines, because it's really important. You might think it's okay, you draw it, and it looks okay, but it's not perfect. Well, when you're done, you're gonna notice how imperfect it is. That's probably one of the number one things. The other thing is just put in the practice to get as good as you can, because it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take a lot of work. But if you put the work in, you'll get there. So I'm just out here riding my bike. Finally got a day off. I haven't had really a day off in a long time. With anything, it goes in waves, so a little bit of a downtime right now, so I'm trying to make the best of it. But if you guys have any questions about Scalp Micropigmentation, if you've already been to training and you're just not happy with your training or not where you're at, I do advanced training too. So I do like a 1 day, $1,000 for 1 day. You come in, we go over what you're doing, the holes that you're missing, and I support you after that too. So that's as long as you've already done training with me or somewhere else, and you want to refresher. If you haven't done training at all, the training's $44.99, and that includes Cheyenne Soul Nova wireless tattoo machine. But my number is my personal number, 813-625-6062, tampascalpinc.com. Hit me up anytime. I'm here to help. See you guys.